Symbaloo is a great resource for bookmarking favorites. It's kind of like, as one teacher put it, speed dial straight to the website via these little tiles that you can create. So for the sake of time, we're going to skip past the create an account and sign in part. And by the way, make sure that you verify your account information through your email before your Symbaloo workspace becomes active and you're ready to publish your own creations. So once you've gotten past all that, you're at your workspace. When you want to create a new Symbaloo, you can click the plus sign to add a new site, and you can decide what you're going to name it. I'm just going to call this test site, just for example, and I'm going to add it. Okay, so now you have all of these blank tile spaces. To get started, you can just click on a tile, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to create a tile or search for a tile? If you already have something in mind and you're sure that it's pretty widely used and maybe already exists, you could type in your keyword or your search term and see if you already find something that you want to use. And if you do, you can just click it, and then that one's done for you, and it will already have the link and everything included. If you're not sure and you want to do something a little more custom, then you can go to the create a tile option and have some choices. If it's going to be a tile that goes to your teacher website, then you're going to want the address to that. We'll just pretend, let me get a website to plug in here. So you can plug in a website wherever you want it to go, and you can tell Symbaloo that it's a website, or maybe it's a news source, or maybe it's whatever else. You can put some words on your tile, or you don't have to. I'll just say Destiny, since this tile is going to my library automation catalog. You have some color choices here for text color and the color of the tile that you can pick. Okay, so we'll make that black, green. I'll leave it like that for now. Maybe gray. I don't know. Play around. You can upload your own custom image for it in case you don't like the little image that's generated for you for the icon. So you can upload your own and kind of crop it to fit on the tile. And when you think you're done, you just save. And then your tile is created. And you can test it by clicking and showing that it goes to your whatever you set it to, in my case, my library system. So that's how quickly you can create a tile. This is how you can share your web mixes with people, either privately with certain friends or publicly as part of the gallery. You can also go through these steps and get to a place where you can get the embed code to embed it on a teacher website, or share via email, say with your students, or tweet it out if you've logged into Twitter first. So there's some different options there under sharing. You can remove any Symbaloo that you create also by clicking remove, and it will delete it forever. So make sure about that decision. You also have some options here to play around with wallpapers and icon sizes and stuff like that. You can play with the options over here and search web mixes, or search tiles, or search profiles of other colleagues you know that are Symbaloo users right here. And here's account settings over here and where you would sign out. So that's just a real quick overview. Have fun exploring with Symbaloo. Thanks.